Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico, and in this video we're going to learn how to generate a QR code or barcode directly on the Power Apps canvas without needing any premium license. We already learned how to do it on Power Automate Cloud Flow. In this video right here, we generate using the standard license. Also, that's important to say for you how to generate the QR code or barcode and just save on SharePoint or any other drive that you want to save it. Using the same approach that is using an API call, we're going to generate a QR code. But you need to understand, it's a standard license. How can I do an API call in my standard license? Actually, on Power Apps, you can do a get on public URL, and some APIs that you don't need to use header on authorization, you can do a get on the URL. Let me be more clear. If you do not watch this video that I just showed you, I will leave a card up here so you can watch and learn more about Power Automate Cloud. When we access this URL right here, QuickChart.io/QR with the parameter text equals 123. Here is it. This is a QR code that represents the number 123. So I can insert a link or anything that I want that can be read by the Power Apps canvas, right? You can use the QR code scanner and just scan this QR code, right? So how can I generate this QR code on my Power Apps canvas? The same way that we did here on the browser. Because like I said, you can consume the same API like we did on the Power Automate Cloud on the Power Apps canvas. So if I create a new screen, insert here an image, and at this image, I just insert this URL, you can see is it as that. Right? So I could end the video here, but wait, let me talk with you. The first thing that you need to understand is this is standard. We don't need premium to show something from a URL that is public. Some APIs are not public, but you have an authorization API key on the URL, right? So if you have an API that shows an image like QuickChart or any other API that you know or you already have, or you already pay for the subscription, you can create your own API on your VPS and develop that, right? You can have, or on the Power Automate Cloud also, that's something that we can build in other video. Create an API that can be used by Power Apps Canvas Standard. That's something really good so we can record, right? But let me conclude what I was talking about. You can use the API key. Let me draw it again. You can use, for example, a new parameter called API key equals. So this URL that have an authorization with API key on the URL, not using authentication on the header, for example, you can use here with a standard license. So at this channel, if you are following me, you are getting what I'm trying to teach you. I am a premium teacher trying to teach you standard things without needing to use premium license yet. If you have premium license, you can do a lot of things. But in some cases, in some countries, like my country, I'm from Brazil, I want to know, where are you from? Please comment down below. I am from Brazil, so it's not cheap for us using Power Apps Canvas Premium. Not cheap, so we need to use the standard, okay? Power Automate Cloud is a little bit cheaper to use, Cloud Premium, but the Power Apps Canvas Premium per user, not cheap for us, so it's hard to implement those on the smaller companies, right? So basically what I'm talking is that you can use, for example, this API QuickChart. You can have like a text input, and that text input be the parameter to the text on the QR code. So let's concatenate here with this value from the QR code text. I'm going to concatenate with QR codes. And if I write my channel here, for example, youtube.com/RonanVicoTechnologies, and ta-da! If you scan that, try to scan right now, you're going to see my channel here. So we can use this API, it's a free API, to get data and use here. Not just that, on the Automate Cloud video, we did something that is a little bit different, not just the QR code. We can get data from public APIs. For example, this URL, it's a free API to test. We get data, right, at JSON format. We can use the Automate Cloud, like I showed you on the other video, to get this data because do not require an authentication. So watch this video, you can have a flow here. Okay, you can have a Power Automate Cloud flow here, who get this data and bring back at a JSON format so you can use on your app. I will not do it at this video because it's the same approach of the last video. I don't want to have multiple videos talking about the same thing. I want your idea. What should I talk about more at this channel on the next video? Leave a feedback down below. You want to create with me this API that I said before? This API, we can create, for example, an API with a premium Power Automate Cloud license and use this API with all my standard Power Apps users. And for example, show an image. It's an example. We can do it. Did you know that? So leave your feedback down below so I know what can I record for the next video. I said, and I will leave on the title, that's QR code or barcode. So the QuickChart, okay, the QuickChart have not just the QR code, you can do charts. It's QuickCharts. So if you want, you can use the image to show QuickCharts and also barcodes. Yes. Okay, here's it. Easy as that. You can just copy it and we can just paste it here and gotta I don't want the type data matrix. Let me see the types available. We have what is the options? We have code 128. This is the type that I want. Here is it. So you can choose the type that you need for the barcode or for the QR code. You can choose here and use as parameter. Pretty cool, right? So we can learn more about this free API here. I will finish this class right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any support on Power Platform developments, we have a company ready to help you. You can contact us on email on the description. Also, check it out, all the links on the descriptions, our affiliate links and everything else, so you can help us to grow this channel. And comment down below the word pineapple so I will know that you watched it to the end. Leave your feedback and the word pineapple. It's a way of knowing who watched the video completed. Thank you so much for watching again. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.